Now we have steel. You make this one fry up. You see me? I'm making straight in warm water. Yeah. Check in for Napstar channel.
Excuse me, it's my channel. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking in with me, EJ, and this person who I do not know.
Oh my God.
I'm checking in, not checking out. As you can tell by the way we are dressed, it's another cooking video. So in today's cooking video, we are going to be making oxtail. And I've been wanting to make this for like so long. So let's just get straight into the video.
Yeah, as you can see, guys, oxtail already chopped up, you see, man? Yeah, man, well chopped. Yeah, to bits of bits.
Okay, so Daddy, what is the first step?
First step, you know, I think said after I chop up and thing, I wash it with vinegar, you know what I mean? We're gonna wash it with vinegar.
Okay.
Yeah, man, oxtail wash, you see me? Clean and pretty. Yeah, man.
So Daddy, what is the next step?
Yeah, the next step, you know what I mean? We're gonna season the oxtail, you know what I mean? With scallion, with thyme, with garlic, you know what I mean? And some powder season. But we're not putting no pepper in it because my kids them have to eat it, you see me? So that's the next step, Dada.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, what we have over here is scallion, some thyme, and some onion.
Yeah, man, you know, we already powder season, you know what I mean? Some browning, you can see. Some garlic, ginger, and pimento season, you know what I mean? All-purpose, chicken, and just straight all-purpose, you know what I mean? Many people use oxtail season, but yeah, just chicken all-purpose. I'm good to go with my oxtail, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
So I am going to be cutting the scallion, and Daddy's going to be chopping up the onions.
Which is right. See, yeah, we chop up the onion and scallion, you know what I mean, and thyme. So yeah, we'll season up the meat and now with the powder season, you see me? And some browning, you know, things said.
Oxtail is seasoned up, looking very, very delicious. So what's the next step, Daddy?
Yeah, you know, normally we season up this like overnight and make it penetrate, you know, make the season second night. But, you know, to just get it done. So I give 2 hours and then we'll cook it, you see me? Put pan stove and shell it down. You know, I think set, yeah.
2 hours later.
Yes, guys, you can see the meat penetrated for 2 hours, you know, I think set well seasoned up and thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, the pot on the fire, oil night well hot. Put some chopped garlic in it, you know. Let this go and burn. You see me? Yeah. And then we'll throw it oxtail in the pot. If you can see how garlic, you know what I mean, burn. Put in the meat and our oxtail. You make this one fry up. You see me? I'm making straight in warm water. Yeah.
Oh, it's so loud.
Smell yummy already, like you can eat it, you see me? Yes, man. I need to tell them again to people. Smell like you can eat already. Yes, man. Yeah. Cover this here now. Yeah. Make him sweat in one water. Yeah, just cover that, make him sweat in one water. And you know, oxtail up and running. Yes, man.
20 minutes later.
Yes, man, as you can see, guys, the oxtail sweat in water, you know what I mean? You don't really want him to stick up in there, you see me? So we add some boiling water to it, you see me? So we have the boiling water here, so always, you see me? Boiling water. So a little bit like that. Alright, then people, you see how you look? Beautiful. Beautiful, gentle people, you know? Boiling water, don't use no cold water because you still want meat for your boil at the same time, you know? Cold water, you know, the work. So boiling water, you see me? And you know, after we re-season this, you know, and then we'll put some spinach in it and broad bean, you see me? Yes, man. Beautiful, beautiful. So the oxtail thing set, you see me? Cover this now. Yeah. Need the next hour or something like that. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Yeah, so my oxtail I cook for 2 hours, you see me? So I re-season it now. You can see. Yeah, I re-season it now. Some scallion, garlic, and onion. You see me? Yeah, scrape that in the pot. I add some spinach in it right away too. You see me? Some spinach. See it here? Yeah, flour. And with that I'll make some spinach. Yeah. Make some spinach, you know? So you see things set, yeah man, flour, roll up spinach, re-season it. So you know, so look after this the next half an hour I put in the broad bean, you know what I mean? Yeah man, put in the broad bean. You see me? Butter bean, yeah. So the next half an hour, so you know the thing set. Yeah man, check in from the data, oxtail, you see me? Mad thing man.
A little later.
Yes, people, this I cook for about half an hour, so I had some carrot and some broad bean. If you can see me change my pot, you see me? Put it on my great Dutch pot, you know, I very love Dutch pot, you know. You see me? Add the carrot. Yeah, just like that.
This looks so delicious. What is that over there?
That's alright. Now cut my butter bean now, you see it? Old school style. You see me? You know, yeah, I'm going to cut my throw out my water. Just like that, gentle
Why is there
people.
water in there?
You see me? Add my broad bean. Yeah. Now see what I got, man. Pretty, man.
Beans?
You see me? See that?
I never knew of beans.
Beautiful, man. See that? Spinach, broad bean, scallion, thyme, garlic, sweet pepper. But no scotch bonnet, because you know the kids might have dinner, so you know me had one scotch but wait, and the scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah. You know my food when I eat it, you see me? Yeah, but you can't too spicy the kids them food. The man loves stir my pot, you know. You make this go on simmer for 10 minutes and now see landing, you see me? So this we have still. Bang the girl out you. Yes.
A little later.
Yes, everybody, the pot land.
Yeah man, I reach out man as my daughter say man, pot land man. Yeah man, you can see what I go on. See there? Yeah, pot land. Yeah, oxtail land. You know, show some rice and peas, which is right. I'm going to see what I go on. Yeah, man. Yes, Sprinkle people, as you can see. Yeah, man, I share out some oxtail, rice and peas. You see? Yeah, man, broad bean, spinach, carrot, oxtail, rice and peas. Yeah, but some of the daughter taste it and tell me what it tastes.
Okay,
Yeah, man,
I
tell me what
have
it
to.
is.
I have to taste some oxtail.
Yeah, cool, it can probably have to.
Oh my gosh! This is amazing! I can't wait until it's dinner time so I can eat this. I'll probably be the first one to eat. Oh, this is so good.
Let me try it too as well. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so good. Like, I just want to have this every day for my dinner now.
Bombshell. But like, yeah, me to tell you. Yeah, man. Nice.
So guys, I'm going to finish off eating the rest of this because this is like so amazing. I wish I cooked this every single day. Like, it's amazing. And I'm also gonna give some to my sister because she needs to try this. Like, I can't just be here by myself eating this delicious oxtail without my sister. So that's the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you have ever had oxtail or something what tastes like oxtail. And don't forget to like.